that is injected into the DPF filter to burn off the carbons and to clean it up. Anytime you fuel these, you've got to be aware that this needs to be checked too. There are two gauges, one for fuel and one for DEF. We always set, all of our trucks are set on the cruise controls to do two things. When we're parked, the latest regulations require that no truck can idle. On a fire truck, we have to idle. So we take and set the RPMs on the set button of the cruise to 1100 RPMs. And 1100 RPMs, we chose that because that is where that engine automatically goes if you do a parked regeneration. So as long as we're producing enough heat at that level, we don't get near the buildup in the DPF filter, not requiring near as much regeneration. And this is true whether you have a truck with the urea or there's another one out that's got the advanced EGR, but they all have the DPF filter. We will point out where that's at on the other side because all these new fire trucks since '07 have that on them. All trucks, whether they're SCR or advanced EGR, have this what we call a DPF filter. It's a diesel particulate filter. This will radiate temperatures in excess of 500 degrees when it regenerates. There are two of these units. Everything's covered up to protect everybody, but we actually are injecting that urea into the secondary filter to burn off the carbons. We do everything with a vertical stack because when this regenerates, there's over 1200 degrees coming out of that stack. You notice we've got shields and everything because they get very hot. Like I said, this DPF filter, which you can just see a little of it there, has a 3/16 stainless steel shell on the outside that will still radiate at 500 degrees.